My fridge was an absolute disaster. Like things hiding in the back that I forgot even existed. So today I decided enough is enough. It's time for a fridge makeover. I started taking everything out shelf by shelf, carefully checking what's good and what needs to go. And guess who suddenly decided it's bath time? Yep, my little bird jumped right under the water like he owns the place. After he finished his unexpected spa day, I washed all the shelves, threw out the old stuff, and put everything back, nice and organized. And let me tell you, a clean fridge feels so satisfying. If you enjoy this kind of chaotic but fun cleaning, don't forget to like and subscribe for more little cleaning adventures.